It's a nice fall afternoon in September, my birthday actually, and as a chocolate lover and a new resident in the Henderson area, I thought we'd go check out the Ethel M Chocolate factory. Not only will we get to taste some chocolate and see how they make it, but there's also botanical gardens there too.
You have to go down in this business park and then turn. It's not obvious where you turn up here or that you're going to Ethel M. I think they could do a better job of marking this turn here.
Then turn left onto Cactus Garden Drive.
We're at Ethel M. We're going to go into the Cactus Garden first, walk around, check it out. Christmas time they put lights on and there's a whole lighted holiday display. We'll come back for that. I think that starts maybe beginning of November they do that.
Here we are in the Prickly Pear Parkway.
We're going to head into Ethel M Chocolates. Ethel M is actually owned by the Mars Corporation. It was named after the mother of Forrester Mars. This is totally different than last time I was here. Thank you.
Your self-guided tour starts right here.
Okay.
Signs on each window that tells you what happens in each area.
So they remodeled 4 years ago. See them making chocolate. Melting tanks. Here they're boxing up the chocolates. These must be the rejects. Well, that could be the thumbnail.
Oh yeah, no, that cannot be the thumbnail. It's in the middle.
I don't know. They got Golden Knights chocolates. Solid dark chocolate Vegas puck.
It's enough to make me like hockey.
Here's a sign with the different kind of chocolates they have. What size box you gonna get?
Alright, probably just the 12 piece.
Only 12? 24 piece. Solid.
Hey, I'm easily talked into. Let's start with 2 each of all dark chocolate caramels. The sea salt, the chewy, and so that was really fun, special sweet treat. Ethel M is open 8 to 8 daily. Sometimes there's extended hours during the holidays. You can visit them at ethelm.com. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Why can't I do this? Anyway, you know what to do.